Internet Income Ninja, bringing you value from another money-making way online. Thank you so much for joining in, and if you don't mind, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell so that you can be made aware of every time a video comes out that helps you make money online. Today we'll be reviewing a website called Respondent. And Respondent is a site that many professionals, businesses, and so forth use, and they use it to find out what consumer purchases, consumers' opinions are all about. Now, you can be either a participant or you could be a researcher, meaning you could be seeking information, or it could be a participant who's giving shared, paid information. Alright, so let's look at the participant tab, because we are here to make money, and a lot of people on this channel are looking for ways to earn money from home online. So while that loads, I'll just remind you to check the links in the description below if you are interested in starting your own business online that earns you passive income. Okay, so yeah, just bear with me, guys. This is real time. This is not pre-recorded. Not random results being shown or anything like that. That was computer generated. This is all real life, in the flesh stuff that we're bringing to you. All right, so so what we're looking at is you getting paid to bring people's products and projects to life. And you do that by helping them get real world perspective from an actual user, participant, consumer. Okay? So our researchers are looking for business professionals of all kinds. And they're looking for software developers, and an average hourly incentive of $200 for sharing their opinions. Enterprise software users, hourly $150. Business owners, $500. Marketers, incentive of $150. Executives, $700. And sales and support, $100. Alright, so how it works: they verify your profile. So you create a profile first, and then you get it verified using your work email. Then you get matched. Okay, so depending on where you're from and what market you're in, meaning what field you're in, you will get matched to certain interviews or questionnaires, and so on and so on. Then when you participate, okay, you'll be able to select a time that fits your schedule. Then afterwards, after participating, after you submit your responses, you get paid automatically via PayPal. The only drawback, if you want to look at it that way, is that the company takes a 5% cut on what you earn. So what does that look like? If you're this guy earning $100, they will take $5 from your $100, and you will be left with $95. If you do something that runs you $200, they are going to take 5%, which would be $5 from each 100, which is $10. So you'll be left with $190 US from the 200, and so on and so forth. But you get a bulk of the money. You get 95%, and if that doesn't bother you, you're on your way to making some good money. So you're pretty much looking from the lowest end to make $100 per hour. My bad, $95 per hour. On the highest end, if you're somewhere in the executive level, you will be making $665 for the hour, and that is after you minus the $35 that would be deducted as their 5% fee. So It's literally that simple. It's that simple. So what you need to do is sign up by clicking this button. So you go to participants, sign up. Or if you are a business person and you want people's opinions so that you can grow and scale your business faster and better, you can actually click the researchers option. But to get started, you go here, click participant, sign up, enter your information, get registered, or you could just click sign up here once you've hit the participants button. Now, that's it from me. You can easily earn $100 up to $700 if you're an executive at $700 per hour. That simple, that easy. Guys, making money has never been this simple before. I suggest you get going, but if you don't want to be making incremental amounts of money per hour, I suggest you check the links in the description, especially the first. And the first option shares with you the #1 business model to start. The second option shares with you a skill that can literally get you to 6 figures. Now, it's you building websites that sell products. The third option is a free way to make money online using social media. Okay? Alright, so check those out. Click the link, first link. Check those options out. But there are also some other options below that, like Canva. If you're trying to create a resume, you can do that for free with that software. There's a link to a free ebook called You Were Born Rich by, I forgot his name, Bob Proctor. Completely free, absolutely free. So that link is there. Check those out, enjoy, and make money online. This is the Internet Income Ninja. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.